Why I joined Hanson Bridgett, and well, first of all, when I did, was May of 2021, and it all kind of started around the time of the George Floyd incident in May of 2020. I was at my prior law firm and just kind of disappointed at their response to it, so that kind of perked my ear, and then from there, it was kind of on, and I knew this was a good fit for me. They do care about the communities in which they live in which they exist, and like actually affirmatively go out there and do things. They're not just talking about it. They're not just putting up a nice like DEI portion of the website. They actually give a damn. I thought that coming in, and then I've gotten here, took a leap of faith during the pandemic, and it's been the best decision I ever made. At the time I joined, I was the only Chicano, male, young equity partner at the firm. And what I see as my role within the DEI space at the firm is empowering young diverse attorneys and non-diverse attorneys to have the skills to know how to grow business, and for all of us to collectively succeed because of, that kind of culture that we're building. And it's a big part of the reason that I'm here. So my practice area is labor and employment. We defend employers. So, my day could be like usually advice and counsel calls out of the blue, from clients who have emergencies, who have needs. I'm also just a trial attorney by trade. I was a prosecutor to start my career. So I'm always involved in litigation. It could be like a labor issue that comes up, employee grievance, whatever it is, I guess my kind of specialization within my practice, it's pretty diverse. Like I represent everybody from law enforcement agencies to tech CEO, which I love about my practice. The law enforcement aspect of it is because I was a prosecutor and I developed relationships along the way that I've kept throughout my career. I just think the unique skill set of being a trial lawyer, like you're able to kind of adapt to any type of employer. So I don't feel limited in any way, and Hanson Bridgett's been super supportive of every area that I've wanted to dabble in since I got here. Ideal client-attorney relationship to me is a give and take. I don't want somebody who's just going to say yes to whatever I advise. I want them to push me on the advice that I'm giving them, ask the why questions, but also, at the end of the day, in employment especially, right? Like you're assessing risk all the time. So having a proven track record with a client is a big deal, and just building that credibility with the client so that we trust each other. And if they want to do something that's maybe a little bit more aggressive, then, I'll trust them that they can handle it capably because I've advised them properly.